Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how to embroider those beautiful hearts. This is very easy. It is for beginners who would like to try new things in the embroidery art. So I hope that you will like this video. Please subscribe for my channel because I can show you a lot more interesting things. And let's begin. Okay, I've already just let me take my I've already prepared my thread, as you can see, and I made those beautiful hearts that I'm going to use in projects, and I'm going to make video how you can use it. You can use it in various way, and you can put it in a lot of different places, and it's going to look very stunning. Let me just explain for this heart shape. You can make bigger hearts or you can make smaller hearts, depend on what would you like to use. Like like a heart, you can make it even bigger or even smaller. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to make the template for this heart. This is an ordinary, as you can see, paper. It's nothing special actually. So if you have something that you would like to throw it away, don't throw it, because it's going to be your template. And I'm going to make this heart. I'm going to use the number of the pencil is 4B, as you can see, and I'm going to draw a little heart here, like that. And now I'm going to the important thing is when you make this heart is to not make it more how should I say, like plump heart, you know, to be more tall, like this, you see, because there is actually a reason why we in the end we want to look like this. Looks like this kind of fishbone hairstyles, you know what I mean. I hope that you know. And we want this from the heart. It's very easy to make it. Let me just trim my template. And this is my heart. We can use it. And I'm going to show you how to use this one. This template. It's going to be very interesting. Let me just... Okay. And what is the important thing? The important thing is to... Oh, it's very beautiful heart actually. The important thing is when you are with this heart, you should fold it like this. Like this. I've just folded, no, a little more. I'm sorry, like that. And it's very important, those, as you can see, it's like that. Here, let me just draw a line so you can see it better. And this is where I folded to make the template. It is very important. This line is very important, and I'm going to tell you why. Because this line, from this line you're going to build this, your heart. You're going to build your heart. It is very, very, very important to make this line. So your heart will look like this with those two dots. And let's start. It's nothing, it's not big deal, you know. So we're starting from this part here, the bottom of the heart. Can you see it? I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Just prepare one very long thread. Every single time depends on the heart you need different length of the thread. So, and okay, we're from the bottom and coming here, as you can see. Okay, just pull it. And it's going to look like this. So then we are going from this part here next to the there it is. Let me just like that. And here, from those 2 points, we are going to build this beautiful fishbone that is here. From those 2 dots, that is the reason why they are very important. So next we are starting from here. Let's do it like that. And here, above the dot, as you can see, like that. I have to pull my heart because the thread is very long and the space that I'm filming is very small. Again, here, and above this dot that we made, and we are starting to build the heart. And again, from this part here, and above the dot that we made. Same for the right part of the heart, like the right side, actually it's not part, it's side, like this. I'll be back after a minute when I finish it, so I can show you how we are going to finish our heart. So as you can see, it's like this. So you're continuing to build it from the left and from the right side.